If you're looking for an easy-to-operate yet powerful hummus production line, this equipment is the perfect choice for you. Hummus is made from chickpeas, and to make the perfect hummus sauce, the chickpeas must be steamed, softened and finely homogenized. Today, we'll show you how to make hummus. We'll use a JINGYE mixing tank, pour the chickpeas into the container with the mixing attachment, turn on the circulation and mixing buttons to quickly form a smooth paste, add oil, and after a short cycle of mixing, the hummus is ready. JINGYE mixing tank, which is especially suitable for cooking chickpeas. It can soften chickpeas in a short time, with high output and high efficiency. With the efficient homogenization device design, it can obtain high-quality hummus sauce with uniform texture. JINGYE machinery has 15 years of experience in customizing food processing equipment, providing customers with high-quality solutions.